Hello friends, now there is another question which comes before us, how to find errors in a sentence. This is the most important question which we face while finding the error. When there is a sentence or a question given and there are parts in that question and option is given A, B, C or D, and you are asked to find the or choose the correct option or where is the error. Suppose a sentence is given, when I reached the station, the train had left. A sentence is given and there are some partition in this sentence, and for these sentences there are option given A, B, C or D. You have to choose the correct option in which part of the sentence there is an error. Whenever you are finding any error, you should keep in mind that there might be any error or the sentence may contain no error. So it depends on the sentence and the rule you know about the sentence. Whenever you are finding error, then please clear your basic concept, the vocab portion or the parts of speech or the speech or voices. There might be error in the part of speech or in the spelling or any word misspelled or wrongly used, or the voice may be wrong or the indirect speech or direct speech may be wrong. So whenever you are finding any error, then please keep all these things in your mind. When we are finding any error or looking for an error, please see each and every word of this sentence. When we are seeing this sentence and there is error in any part, then first concentrate on the first part. What is there? When I reached. Then see there is when is correctly spelled. Is the use of when here is correct? See the error or see the sentence word by word. After when there is I and after I there is reached. Is reached correct according to I, or the correct form of reached is used or not? If it is correct, there is no error in this part, then only move to the next part, the next option, that is the B1, the station. The. Now the error might be of article the, or the error might be of station or stations or the next article. So see whether this the is correctly used with this word or not. If it is correctly used, then move to the next word. You have to see word by word that is there any error. If you try to find an error by looking the whole sentence once, you will never find any error in any sentences. Sometimes the errors are easy, you can find by looking the whole sentence at a glance, but it is always not correct. So whenever you are looking for an error, see word by word, is this word making sense with this, is this word making sense with this, it can be used with this word or not. After that, the next part is the station. The is used with station for particular station. When the article is used before this station, it means we are talking about a particular station. When I reach the station, यानी जब मैं किसी स्टेशन पे पहुंचा, I के साथ reached यूज़ किया गया है, that is the second or third form of verb used with reached, I. Then after that, the station. The is used for station for clearly mentioning any station. Then after that, there is no error in this part of sentence. This comma is separating this part of the sentence with the next part. So till first part of the sentence, you find there is no error. Then after that, move to the next part, that is the train had left. The train. This train is a particular train. We are talking about any express or any train or any mail, then this is a specific train for which this word the is used. It is also correct So there is no error till this part of the sentence. Now after that we have used had left. If you are having a correct knowledge of tense, then you have to see whether had is correct with this train or not. If had is correct, then the correct form of verb is used with had or not. If this verb is correct with this helping verb, or this helping verb is correct according to the subject, and there is no error in this part of sentence, then you will move to the next option, and that is no error. So when we examine this sentence word by word, we are seeing every part of sentence, each word of the sentence word by word, and we are not getting any error, then this sentence might be correct and there may be no error in this sentence. So when you will see the whole sentence, then after that you have seen this sentence word by word, you have checked this word by word that there is no error in this sentence, then you can read the whole sentence at once, and after that you still don't find any error, then move to the option no error and we will mark this option that there is no error in this sentence. So the trick behind finding the error in any sentence is look the sentence word by word, the article used, the verb used, the helping verb used, or the conjunction or the noun used, and if you are not getting any error in this sentence, then the option no error is also correct. So in this first example we have seen that there is no error, and how we come to the decision that there is no error in the sentence, while looking the sentence word by word and seeing whether there is any grammatical mistake, any mistake of tense, or there is any mistake of spelling or the verb use or the noun or preposition or conjunction used. Now let us take another example which says, I requested my mother to allow me to go to my friend's Shankar's house. This sentence is given here, I requested my mother to allow me to go to my friend's Shankar's house. There is again 4 options in this sentence, A, B, C and D. The D option is here no error, the A option is I requested my mother, the second option is to allow me to go to, and the third option is my friend's Shankar's house. So when you are going to find the error in this sentence, see again this sentence word by word. I requested, I means मैंने या मैं, and according to I requested is used, which is correct. After that I requested to whom? My mother. In this part of sentence there is no error, and how you come to this decision that there is no error? When you see that after I requested is used, the correct form of verb is used after I, then after that according to I the correct pronoun is used my, and who is the person for whom my is used, that is mother. So in this part there is no error, and when you move to the next part, that is to allow, means he is granting permission or he is looking for the permission to allow whom? Me. Me is according to I, and according to I me is the pronoun used, which is correct. What he wants? To go to. To preposition is used for going somewhere, and to is telling where he is going. So according to I, me is used, the correct preposition is used, the correct form of verb is used, and the correct preposition and verb is used. So you can find no error in this part of the sentence. Your A part is correct, your B part is correct. Now when we go to the third part, that is my friend's Shankar's house. My is used according to I and my is correct. Then we move to the word friends apostrophe s, then Shankar's, that is Shankar apostrophe s. Apostrophe s is used in both the word friends also and Shankar's also. Is both the word correct? According to my, friend is used. Now there is apostrophe s for friend, yani friend ka ya friend ke. Then the name of friend is given, that is Shankar, and after Shankar apostrophe s is used. But is there any need of apostrophe s with friends? There are two similar words. First is my friend and then the name of the friend Shankar. So if there is name of the friend, then we will use apostrophe s with the name and not with the friends. If there was no name, if this name was not there, if there is only my friend's house, then you can use apostrophe s with friend. But if there is friend also and the name of the friend also, that is Shankar, then it is useless to use apostrophe s with friends. This word is containing error if the name of the friend is also mentioned. So since the name of the friend is mentioned here, Shankar's, so using apostrophe s with friend is wrong. You will easily tick this option as this option is containing any error. And how do you come to know that this part is containing error? By looking word by word that these two words collectively are not making any sense. So I will again suggest you, whenever you are looking for any error, then check word by word, part by part. Is there any error in first part? If no, then move to the second part. Is there any error in the second part? If no, then move to the third part. If there is any error in third part, you can mark it, and if no, then the sentence is no error, there is not any error in the sentence. And how will you come to this decision? By checking whether the correct form of verb is used, the correct pronoun is used, the correct noun is used or not. Here the error is in noun part. So no part of speech is simple, or you can't overlook any part of speech, because noun also has its own importance and so the other parts of speech.